Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the channel Nurturing Biology. Today, we will see how to draw the TS of an mammalian ovary. So, first, you need to make two parallel lines, and from each one, start drawing small curves. Again, another curve, and just end it up there. Yeah, from the other line, also make curves. Make outlines for or to the inside, again make layers. We'll have to make 4 layers in total. So once you finish with the third layer, make small cuts in that layer, the second and the third, which is actually the germinal epithelium, which is cuboid in shape. So now let us finish with the cuts and make the fourth layer or lining. And once we finish with that, we can draw the primary follicles. So first make a dark spot and then draw 2 concentric circles around it, which is the primary follicle or the primordial follicle. As it grows, we can draw a little more bigger follicle, which could be the developing follicle. And as it develops, slowly we can see a small crescent shape cavity getting formed, which later becomes bigger in size in the fully mature follicle or the Graafian follicle. Now, once it is mature, during ovulation, we can see the ovum getting released from the Graafian follicle as the Graafian follicle ruptures. So, the ruptured follicle could be drawn in the shape of a C with small V's connecting them. Now, make the shape of a cloud and again an inner lining, which could be the corpus luteum. And now let us label the parts. First, we can label the primordial follicle or the primary follicle, which actually develops or grows in size. And the outermost layer you see here is the visceral peritoneum, inside which we see the cuboidal germinal epithelium. So let's label the cuboidal germinal epithelium, inside which we see the follicles getting mature. The inner part is called the stroma, which has blood vessels, connective tissues and nerves. Now, let's label the developing follicle, which later becomes the mature follicle, and in mature follicle we have a bigger antrum. During ovulation we can see the ovum getting released, and the ruptured follicle could be labeled as ruptured follicle, which later gets converted to corpus luteum, which secretes the progesterone, and then we can label corpus albicans. Now the TS of mammalian ovary is ready.